Once upon a time, in a faraway kingdom, there lived a young princess named Snow White. She was known throughout the land for her beauty, but even more so for her kind and gentle heart. She treated everyone with love and respect, from the smallest animals in the forest to the kind people in the village. Snow White lived in a grand castle with her stepmother, the evil queen, who was very vain. The queen owned a magical mirror that she would ask every day, "Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the fairest of them all?" For years, the mirror would always answer, "You, my queen, are the fairest of them all." But one day, the mirror said something different. "My queen, Snow White, is the fairest of them all." The evil queen grew jealous and angry. In her heart, she did not understand that true beauty comes from kindness, not just appearance. Determined to get rid of Snow White, the queen sent her deep into the forest, where Snow White found herself lost and afraid. However, her kindness shone through, and soon she met 7 dwarfs who lived in a small cottage. The dwarfs were friendly, but lived alone, and had little joy in their lives. Snow White, with her warm smile and helpful nature, made the cottage a happy place. She cooked, cleaned, and most importantly, she brought laughter and love into their home. The evil queen, still envious, tried to harm Snow White by disguising herself and offering her a poisoned apple. Snow White, trusting and kind, took a bite of the apple and fell into a deep sleep. The dwarfs were heartbroken but refused to give up on her. They protected her and cared for her, hoping that one day she would wake up. One day, a prince who had heard of Snow White's goodness came to the forest. When he saw her, he realized she was the kind and loving princess he had heard about. And with the power of love and kindness, Snow White woke up. The evil queen's jealousy eventually consumed her, and she was forced to flee, never to return to the kingdom. Snow White, the prince, and the 7 dwarfs lived happily ever after, spreading kindness wherever they went. Kindness is the greatest beauty of all. While the evil queen was focused on outer beauty, Snow White's inner kindness and caring heart made her truly beautiful. When you are kind to others, good things will come your way, just like Snow White's happy ending. High above the clouds in the faraway sky, there lived a tiny star named Twinkle. She was one of the smallest stars in the sky, often shy and hiding behind the bigger, brighter stars. Twinkle would gaze at the night sky and admire how beautifully all the other stars shone. Twinkle wanted nothing more than to be noticed.
If only I could shine as brightly as the others. What if just for one night I could be the star that everyone looks up to?
Twinkle decided she wouldn't wait any longer. She left her spot in the sky and floated down to earth, hoping to find a way to shine brighter. As she descended, the world below amazed her. The green meadows, tall trees, and gentle breezes all seemed so different from her quiet place in the sky. Twinkle landed softly in a peaceful meadow surrounded by tall grass and glowing flowers. She felt small and unsure, looking around for answers.
Where could I find the secret to shining brighter?
As Twinkle explored the meadow, she spotted a tiny flickering light. It was a firefly named Buzz, darting joyfully between the blades of grass. His light, though small, flickered brightly. Buzz noticed Twinkle sitting quietly and flew over to greet her.
Hello, little star. Why do you look so sad?
I want to shine as brightly as the other stars, but I don't know how. No one seems to notice me.
Shining bright doesn't always mean being the biggest, he said kindly. Sometimes it's the small acts of light that make the biggest difference. Come with me and I'll show you.
Buzz led Twinkle through the meadow to a nearby village, where the quiet night was full of soft glowing lights. As they approached, Twinkle noticed something beautiful. There were children in the village, helping one another with small acts of kindness, laughing and smiling as they worked together. Twinkle watched in awe as these simple acts of kindness lit up the village in a way that her eyes had never seen before. The warmth in the air felt like it could light up the whole world.
See? It's kindness that makes others shine.
Twinkle was quiet for a moment, thinking deeply. So, it's not how big or bright I am, it's how I can help others, she whispered to herself. Feeling a new sense of purpose, Twinkle thanked Buzz for showing her the way and floated gently back up to the sky. As she settled back into her spot, she no longer felt the need to be the biggest or brightest star. She understood now that true brightness comes from within, from the kindness you show and the light you bring to others. And so, Twinkle shone her soft, warm light every night. You don't need to be big or powerful to make a difference. Kindness is the light that makes us all shine.
Circle, circle, round and round, everywhere that it can be found. Look at the wheels on the car go round. Circle, circle, without a sound. The sun is a circle up in the sky. Round and round it shines so high. Can you find the circle nearby? Look around and give it a try. Square, square, it's everywhere. Look at the sides, for to share. The window is a square, the box is two. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, they're all for you. A square-shaped gift, wrapped so neat. A square pizza is such a treat. Triangles have 3 sides, you see. Just count 1, 2, 3 with me. Triangle, triangle, pointy and neat. They make roofs and musical beats. Or a slice of pizza we love to call. Rectangles are long and wide. They have 4 sides. Let's take a ride. Rectangle, rectangle, straight and tall. Doors, books, and buildings, big and small. Look at the flag, look at the door. Find rectangle